Hi, I'm Patrick Dempsey. I'm the director of the Office of Teaching and Learning at Loyola University in Maryland, and I'll be participating in QM ConnectLX as both a presenter and as an attendee this November, and I want to personally invite you to join me. So I love presenting at this event because it's a community of engaged individuals who are just invested in quality teaching. Everyone brings so many unique ideas and perspectives. And as I've presented over the years, even virtually, I've grown a network of peers. These are people whose presentations I'm sure to attend and individuals who always support the ideas I'm presenting on. And even though we might have different roles or be in different parts of the country, we still connect at these conferences and share the ideas that are shaping what we do. Also, QM conferences are useful for everyone. If you're new to QM or just to online teaching or implementing quality in your teaching or instructional design, there are going to be sessions for you. At the same time, if you're a veteran, someone who's been around and committed to quality for a long time, and you're just looking for some new ideas or practices to really amplify what you're doing, there are going to be sessions for you. And of course, there's something for everybody in between. As an attendee, QM presentations are always focused on the practical, but always grounded in the theoretical. So we learn things that we can do, but at the same time, we understand the frameworks behind those solutions. So I look forward to connecting with you this fall.